morning, Flomaton High School. This is Drew Mesmer with a few words of wisdom. Today's kickoff our annual celebration of Red Ribbon Week. National Red Ribbon Week is a week set aside to bring awareness about the dangers of drug and alcohol. We also honor people who work hard to keep people from using and abusing drugs and alcohol. One such person is Drug Enforcement Agency Special Agent Enrique S. Carmina, who gave his life to stop drug trafficking in the U.S. During Red Ribbon Week, we will learn the importance of preventing underage drinking and tobacco use. We will also discuss the dangers of misusing prescription drugs, as well as the danger of using all illegal drugs. This year's Red Ribbon Week theme is Drug-Free Looks Like Me. The theme is a call to action to speak out in support of healthy choices. It also serves as a reminder that we are all empowered with shaping the communities around us through positivity, bravery, and strength. With something to think about, this is Drew. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. Let's take a look at highlights from Friday night's game against T.R. Miller. Don't forget about Hurricane Halloween this Thursday from 5 to 7 p.m. Following Hurricane Halloween, we will have a powder puff game between the junior and the seniors. The Little Club is selling pink breast cancer balloons for $1. The balloons will be released at the powder puff game. Softball tryouts will be Friday, October 29th at Hurricane Park. You must have a physical on file to try out. See Coach Haney for more info. The football team will play the final regular season game Friday night in Atmore against Escambia County. Kickoff is at 7.
Drum major 1, color guard 1, majorette 1, percussion 1, band 1, 1, 1, for an overall 1.